There's ants.
Oh god,
a ton
dude,
of them.
So many.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Cache of the Day. Today's location is
Cody Park.
Cody Park. We are in South Garland today, getting some caches. We got about 5 on the trail, so we will see you out there. Before we get started though, please, if you haven't already, subscribe and smash that like button if you enjoyed the video. We'll see you out there.
Oh, interesting. Oh my god! There are some freaking roaches in there. And ants too? Oh my god!
That thing is a little worse for the wear.
Found it. Found it, baby.
There's ants, baby.
Oh god,
a ton
dude,
of them.
So many.
Yep, DNF on this one, guys.
No cash. There it is.
All right, guys, another day down. We ended up getting, I believe, 4, including that DNF. Kind of a bummer there. This was a nice park. I would definitely come here again. So we'll see you guys in the next one.
Happy hunting.